Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Charlotte, Matthews, Mid-Hill, Pineville, South Park Mall, The Plaza, the Arboretum, Freedom Park and Denton Valley. Flooding of Addison Drive is likely inundated by 2 to 4 inches of floodwaters as McMullen Creek exceeds its banks up and downstream of the Addison Drive culverts, flooding adjacent low-lying areas. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred